COVID-19 pandemic has brought on a lot of stress, fear, loneliness, and loss of social connections among many. It's an observation also being made by the Pharmaceutical Society of Jamaica. The Pharmaceutical Society's president, Dr. Winsome Christie, says as her members interact with the public daily, they're seeing an increase in the number of people displaying mental health conditions. Dr. Christie says this is becoming worrisome.
For us as pharmacists, bringing mindfulness to our practice means that we're becoming more engaging with the patient. We're not being judgmental, even if we see evidence where there may be non-compliance. We wouldn't judge them, but we'd engage them and find out what is actually happening.
Dr. Christie says based on the seriousness of the situation, her members have decided to undertake the 5K Mental Health Wellness Challenge. She explains that this initiative will see pharmacists going into homes and communities to engage Jamaicans on routine exercises to relieve their stresses. Dr. Christie says yoga is one of the techniques being used because it encourages deep breathing. She gave us a demonstration.
You breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And so when you're going to move into a position, you breathe in. So, for example, you can put your right hand on the floor, flat, and you're going to inhale and lift your left arm at the same time. Extend the arm and reach over. And once you feel a resistance, you stop. You don't overstretch. And then you exhale it down. And you repeat with the other side. Inhale, stretch, and exhale it down.
And Dr. Christie says if people can't do yoga, then they can try other exercise techniques that are less likely to cause injuries or to damage the muscles.
Apart from that, all persons can engage in some form of activity, and all of these activities increase the relaxation response. But it doesn't happen at one point. It's repeated. You have to keep on, and with your good lifestyle, you're getting enough sleep, you're getting enough rest, plenty of sunshine. Well, sometimes you have to go outside and stand in the sun. You can't really too much engaging right now. Put your mask on and go outside and go back inside.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.